first ball and finds the boundary.
Oh my goodness. Well, you pitch it there at that pace.
Oh, full toss, easy pickings. Oh, put down. That's big. First six for Salt. Goes again. One bounce over the rope. Oh, he gets plenty of bat on that. Oh, lovely shot. Beautiful cricket shot that. And then once it hits those practice pitches, it races away. Massive. This time offside. And clever batting.
Yeah, but they haven't really used that, have they?
Oh, they're not lucky there.
Another slow delivery. Leading edge, but in the gap. Oh, dropped again! Second one coming down tonight. Came out of the middle, but you expect Sam Curran to take those. I don't think it will, because he doesn't care. Oh, another one goes down. What is going on? I gets hold of this one.
Balancing your eyes,
Top edge. And find the boundary. Another 50 for Sunil Ryan.
like a dream.
Another boundary. An absolute carnage this.
And here's the ride. Down the ground he goes. Another six. That's punched away. And find the boundary. 50 for Philson. Swings. Shouldered into the fence. Down the ground. Easily clears the boundary. Shots like this. Now right earlier in the over, not Salt. That's in the air. This should be taken. It's finally taken. Jonny Bairstow clings onto it. And KKR lose their first wicket. He gets up.
That is smashed first ball of the over. And again. Same result. Oh no, this is Sam Curran now. His turn. Lob straighter. Lob full off. Into the block hole and the stump's on fire. Oh, that's smart. Oh, that's really good placement. That is brute power. Down the ground. Ends the over with a six. Wow. That's flat and down the ground. Just there. Oh no, he would have been caught. Well, I don't know if he would have been caught to the catching this evening. And this should be taken. Yes, it is. Ushered the fielder. Trey Russ goes to 24-2 and 3 for 3.
Lucky timing. That's the win. Swing it up. In the fence. Oh, that's a glorious shot. That's going to reach the Bairstow. Oh, my God, the wrist. He goes again. man running back. This is a very good catch. Oh, well, he starts off by clearing Jonny Bairstow. Swing, miss. Wide signal. Again a challenge.
Ball is passing within the guideline. Anil, it is not a wide. You'll need to reverse your decision. Roll it. You're on screen. It's a fair delay.
So 20 overs have been bowled. It's 260. Very sharp. He's a skinner. He can surprise you. That's in the air, in the gap, and the post boundary. Oh, that's a good flick for six.
There's a chance. No, it's not. It's Eden Gardens.
Oh, that's nicely played. Oh, that's disappeared for six. Oh, that's a fine shot. Frees his arms. That's up in the air, but it's gone long. Pick the slower one. Oh, down the track. This is a good strike.
That's where he likes to hit it. That's where he's very, very good. Jonny Bairstow.
It's up in the air, will land safely. And it's bouncing away to the boundary.
Catch it.
This is the start I was hoping for.
Little flick. And into the crowd. To bring up a half-century of notes. Oh, it's just 18 deliveries for the young man. To get to his 50.
Oh, no.
Oh, the old French he'll do. For the Englishman, Bairstow. Like this. Happy Humpty here at Eden G. Oh, freedom, not quite. Wow, there we go. We've gone past 86. Go, Johnny, go. Friday night frights, you better believe it. Cheeky little inside edge. Oh, I think it's gone. Bairstow wanted to keep the strike. But Sharma came through.
I'm ready with my decision for the big screen.
Sharma now seeing out for 54 from just 20. Up. Yeah, sixer. Good there. Didn't get all of it and time it, but enough.
That's in the air. An opportunity. No. Clears the fielder. 50 for Jonny Bairstow.
Played here. That's another boundary for Bairstow.
Oh, that's a good strike. Very good strike. That's up in the air. It'll clear long off. This is clean, straight. Swung away in the gap. And over the line once again. Oh, that's clean. That's big. That's into the crowd.
Oh,
Swung away. Oh, this is huge. It is huge. It's into the night sky. Way back into the crowd. Wow, Jonny Bairstow.
and he's got to stay there and he's got to keep batting like that.
That's up in the air.
And should be taken in the nose. The partnership's broken. It's Riley Russo. He's getting his innings together, but he's got to go now. Varun Chakravarti, it's been a little off color. again, Varun Chakrabarti. The two shot this time. Punished again. Back-to-back sixes. Or gets a boundary on the first ball. Little room outside off stump. Does go wide. In the air, top effort. Very good effort. Almost got there. Didn't. But will get a couple of runs Bairstow and will bring up his second IPL 100. His fourth in T20 cricket. And he's back. Jonny B is back.
Oh, slower.